Today we're going to be looking at a solar powered PIR floodlight from Wilson and Gregory, garden specialist. I got this from PoundLand, and if you're new to the channel, what I'll do, I'll go to the cheapo stores and I'll buy something relatively cheap and I'll give it a review whether it's good or not. You can check out my other videos on there. There's one with a in-car phone holder, phone charger thing. I reviewed that. If you want to check out how that went, take a look. I also do other things. Please check the rest of my videos and we can go from there. This cost £5 and actually, if you're still watching this video, I don't want to spoil it for you, but it kind of cost me nothing, and I'll let you know how at the end. So we're going to have a look at this and see what's what. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 LED lights on it. We've got the actual passive infrared sensor. Oh, actually lights up. I don't know if you can see that. Can't be that much battery in it. It's been in the box. Okay, maybe not. Well, it did for a second. So it gives. See what it's giving is there. Let's see what it says on the box. It shows this nice bright floodlight effect on the picture. Don't know if you can see that. Can you see that? Now, today is a rainy, miserable Monday on August the 17th, and it's totally poured down all night and all day. So, if you're relying on solar power. So, if you're relying on solar power, today's like this. Don't really do it justice, but anyway, that's the box. Rechargeable motion sensor. That's all it says on it. It doesn't say what the batteries are. It's got for instructions. Go to www.howtouseme.com. That's not a bad. That's a catchy, easy to remember website address, isn't it? So I'll stick that over there and have a slurp of my tea. Okay, you've got some mounting screws. Gives you 4 in all. You see that there? 4 mounting screws. Don't know if it's focusing or not. You've got, I'm not quite sure what that is yet. Oh, I know this. Hang on. This will be, I see why it's got 4. You need 2 mounting screws to actually mount the light. Down there. And then you've got quite a bit of length of lead where you could put the solar panel in maybe a better suited position, so you could stick it like that. So what you need to do is mount that on there like that. So that go like that, and then you can either turn it that way, so you could probably get the best of everything. So that'll go on the wall there, see, and that'll go on the wall there. That's, do you know what? It's quite a big solar panel. Bit sloppy with the glue, and it's been scuffed out a little bit. And take this off. Oh, that was nice. The lights are actually on now. I don't know if you can see that. Where you are there. I don't know if it'll go off. That's gone off. Go back in. There, back on again. So it just goes So that's quite keen, actually. Doesn't say what kind of batteries they are. So I'm not sure if you should have a look or not, to be honest with you. That's got good. You can have it vertically, horizontally. Shall we have a look what kind of batteries there is? I don't usually take them apart like this, but if I can find myself a screwdriver, I might have a look to see what kind of batteries we have already in there. Let's have a look. Slightly bigger. I know it's, I don't know if you've got a keen eye, but I'm using a flathead screwdriver. You see that? To open a Phillips, but it works. The smaller ones, it usually gives it a better grip because you don't want them. These are pretty cheap screws anyway, so you don't want them threading themselves. So what's some of this? Let's have a look. That pops off quite handy. Oh, look at that. That's not bad, isn't it? You've got 300 ampage hour MAH 1.2 volt batteries, and then you've got the circuit board there, obviously, and then you've got the feed to the power from the solar panel going into that to charge them. So to be fair, that's 1, 2, 3, you've got 3.6 volt charging, so it should last. I don't know if it'll last all night, but then again, if it's on the PIR, it probably would. So I'm quite surprised with that. That's quite alright. Sometimes I'll buy cheap things like this just to take them apart for the bits. Because sometimes I might want the case, I might want the lens, I might want something else. Because it's cheaper than buying them off eBay. If you buy something and take it apart and use the spares for that way. So you can see the reflection. That's quite good. If you do it that way, that'll get in the way of your PIR sensor. You probably want to twist this. You can maneuver it down like that. That'll go on the wall there. Well, not the wall here, like, but obviously it's got a weather cover on the switch. Auto. That must be on. Off. PIR. That'll detect your movement. The only thing with these things, I don't usually like switches. You get them on you know, for these ornaments you get for the garden, for the solar power and things, you get a switch on it. And then one day you'll find out that your little ornament's not glowing anymore. And the chances are it's your switch. That switch there is rotting away. So what I might do, we'll see. So don't throw away your solar ornament. There's chances are it's your switch. Just get it bypassed or get it fused together so it's always on. I think they kind of use them to save the batteries when they transport them from China. So that's that. I'll probably update it sometime and see. I'll video it on my shed. This is going outside my shed, by the way. So just above the door. So when I come to the shed in the winter times when it's darker earlier, it should light up the path a little bit. Looking forward to this, but where shall I put this? I'll find. This has got, I'd say, a good 2 meters. 2 meters of wire to extend it. I'll find a good place for that, and I can stick that along the way somewhere. So that's it. That is the solar PIR floodlight from PoundLand. I keep on calling it the Pound Shop, but it's PoundLand. For £5. That. So far, it's okay. Quality is reasonable on it. I mean, for a £5, what do you expect? Now I'll tell you why it didn't cost me anything. If you're stuck with the video, you'll probably find out why now. I did review a in-car phone wireless whole charger hole type thing. It was called Awesome phone holder charger, and it was terrible. I swear down, it's one of the worst things I've ever seen. That for £5 was a letdown. Anyhow, I took it back to the shop, and I said, look, explained to them, and they were great about it. And I just said, can I swap it for something else? They want my money back, obviously. And I did, and I swapped it for this. So there we go. That's this is how this cost me. Well, technically speaking, I suppose it cost me a £5. But I got to review the in-car charger for free, didn't you? I'm waffling. I'm drinking my tea. Just a quick video today, and once again, thank you for watching. Please tune in next time. If you enjoyed this video, take a look at my other videos. If you didn't enjoy it, let me know why in the comments, please. If you did enjoy it, let me know why. Is there anything you want me to look at or something to take apart? I'm up for that, and hopefully you'll come back again. For now then, take care. Bye bye. Okay, welcome back. Hi, welcome back. Today we're going to be looking at a Wilson. Hello.